Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal account in the UK. First, go to paypal.com and click sign up. Choose the account type, personal or business. Then click get started. Enter your email address and click next. Make sure your country flag at the top is set to the UK. Enter your UK phone number, click next, and verify the code sent to your phone. Create a strong password, click next, and fill in your personal details. Add your address. PayPal might auto-detect it based on your IP, or you can type it in manually. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click create account. Skip the payment method step if you want, or link a card now. And that's it. That's how to create a PayPal account in the UK. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.